Hey y'all, I'm gonna do an old classic from Willie Nelson, The Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. Thanks for watching. In the twilight glow I see them, blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, only memories remain. And through the ages I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain. Such a pretty song. And you can't go wrong with Willie. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again. In a land that knows no parting, blue eyes crying in the rain. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good day.